Yes, YouTube. Welcome back again. It's Saturday, um, 9 o'clock New York time. Perfect timing for this video. You know, actually, when you watch my previous video, BTC dumped crazy, right? We hit it 91k and eventually fly back up. But I'll show you the TA later. What I was expecting, and what I will expect also for the coming days. It's Saturday. Don't expect too much. It's a low volume, but it doesn't take away that it gives us a perfect sight on next week or what we can expect also today, right? One thing I've learned is like Saturdays are low volumes, but what they're always doing on Saturday and Sundays, they creating a new weekly top or a weekly bottom for next week, right? So it's like they sort of preparing the market for next week. So as that said, let's go to the chart. As you guys can see now, we're watching at the daily again, BTC to USDT pair. And when you watch my previous video from I think 3 days ago, we were somewhere like here, right? So I predicted this swing low to what is it, 91k. I thought it was 92k, but the thing is also, they always try to sweep as much liquidity as possible, right? For example, it's not only sweeping, it's also, you have to remember that price is just going where liquidity is. For example, if like 80% of all traders and retail traders are putting their stop loss here, a stop loss is nothing more than just a limit order, right? We call it a stop loss, but it's just you say to the market actually that you're ready to sell your position with a loss, with a maximum loss, right? But it's nothing more than a limit order. So just keep that in mind. For example, if a lot of retail traders, are putting their stop loss under this wick, right, for this giant right to the upside, yeah, then price will come there because there's liquidity. It's nothing more than that, right? It's just like people are saying, okay, I'm ready to sell my position there, so what the price will just go there, right? The only thing market makers can do is they can put crazy liquidity also on that spot, and yeah, price sweeps that way, right? So that's a little bit how it goes. So I was predicting that BTC was coming down, right? Let me check here. And what actually happened here is we had this bearish divergence on the RSI. We saw it before the RSI actually shows it now, right? But it doesn't matter. If you look at the daily, we actually hit the 786 here, right? Perfectly. Candle closes on the 786. So is it nicely? Yes, like this. So you can see that the price ripped up crazy on this 786. So now you guys can see again that how crazy respected this 786 is, right? That's one of the secrets you need to keep in mind. If you backtest this is the most respected Fibonacci level. So as that said, what happened on the 50-minute, once price comes close to this 786 on the daily, you can see that we're creating this bullish divergence already, right? And then you can expect upside. So that's a little bit what happened and how I predicted price action 3 days ago, and now you can see that it actually played out. At this moment, it's difficult to say what we can expect at the moment for BTC because we bounced up again, and actually we broke crazy to the 786, and we sweep liquidity here, right? So I'm expecting more upside for BTC at the moment. I don't know why, because there's crazy liquidity, and you see how this 786 is not really respected at the moment. You can see that there happened a small rejection here, but crazy liquidity sweep to the sell stops here, right? So yeah, you know, I think we will see more upside for BTC at the moment. And why is that? Because we need to grab this liquidity here, right? There's a lot of liquidity. So what guys show you, you know, a lot of people are still in a short position here. All this liquidity is here, right? So yeah, what I'm expecting now for BTC is more upside, right? Um, and then we are in price discovery area again. So it's very difficult to say where we go, right? We just use our Fibonacci levels, you know, we measure them to the upside. And the only thing what we can do in a bull market and price discovery, just aim on Fibonacci, right? So for example, let's go to the daily. Let's pull a Fib on the daily on this closed candle after this swing low here. So let me clean this thing. So what I'm expecting, somewhere around 100k, 100.2k. And why is that? There's crazy liquidity, right? You know, people are still shorting. You know, maybe there are people, maybe there are institutions or traders. They're just bidding on 100k, right? If you go to Bookmap, for example, I don't use Bookmap a lot, but sometimes I like to check it, right? Because it shows you exactly where liquidity is, real time. And what I saw on Bookmap is that there's a crazy liquidity on 100k, right? And you know, it's I cannot say precisely how much and what kind of liquidity it is, but I know for sure that it's a lot of sell stop liquidity, right? For people who are still shorting and actually saying, I want to sell my position there with a loss, right? So why do I think that we will see more upside for BTC? That is because this 786 is not really respected. I don't know. Usually when I pull my Fibs, you know, and I want to see the 786 respected on this closed candle, and then you can see it's going right through it. So that means that there's crazy liquidity. So I'm expecting more upside for BTC, you know, easy as that. So at the moment I'm in a long position, to be honest, and you know, I'm aiming for at least this 786 here, at least. You know, this is my take profit also. So it's like yeah, it's a day trade. You know, I jumped in this morning. I bought this bottom, this daily bottom, and you can see this bullish divergence here on the RSI. So we have bullish order flow again. So I'm in the trade now, and I'm expecting BTC to come to 97.8k, and there's a possibility that we will see more upside for BTC. You know, for the sharp guys, if you can see also here, there's a bullish, a bearish divergence here. When you go to the higher time frame, for example, the 1 hour, I thought, yeah, you can see it already here, right? But after a divergence, we can expect a liquidity sweep. So that's the thing I trade, right? I like to surf on the energy of the market makers. So I'm expecting upside for BTC. It's a short video. It's on Saturday, you know, don't expect too much, low volume. It's also the last week of the month, so you know they can create some new monthly candles or close a monthly closeout in this case. So a lot of possibilities for movement in the market. So that's it for today. Actually, you know, for the guys who don't know, I have a group. It's called Crypto Gainers, where I post my daily trades. I trade myself in the group, so you can follow them, and 3 of them I post for free weekly in the free channel on the Discord group. So if you're interested, if you want to level up your trading, go to cryptogainers.nl, fill in your name and your email address on the free form page. You will receive a welcome link and a link to the Discord group, and you're good to go. So as that said, guys, I wish you all a very nice weekend. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you later.
Think about me before you go. 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 One more time. Think